So in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know on how to use a Speed Queen commercial wash. Now, all you're going to need to do is you first need to obviously put your clothes in the barrel. But once you put your clothes in the barrel, you actually want to take your detergent, whichever one you're using. You can see I have multiple right here. It doesn't matter which one you use, just follow the instructions on that detergent. Now this one calls for a liquid, and if you're using a Tide Pod, you can just throw it in there. There's no compartment or anything. And you basically just fill it up to the line, or however many clothes or however dirty it is. You just want to basically add that much. Now I'm just going to do this much just because this is a pretty smelly and large load. But basically you just dump it in over your clothes like I'm doing so here. And once you've done that, you basically want to close the door, and it's almost ready to go after we modify our settings, which you can see are right here. Now, all you're gonna need to do is, depending on how big of a load you actually have, whether it be a light load, this is like a smaller load, or just lighter clothes, medium load, like I have, or a heavy load, you can do that there. And you can basically select the cycle if you want normal, perm press if you have nicer clothing or delicate clothes, or hot, warm, or cold water. Now, personally, I like warm, just because I had poison ivy recently, so I'm trying to kill off some of the bacteria. But basically, you click on the start, and you can see that the door will actually automatically lock. It made a noise. I don't know if you could hear that. And now you cannot open the door for however long it actually runs for. 30 minutes is the normal, 36 because I put on medium and hot. And you can see it's locked, and when it's done, you bring it over to the dryer, where you just want to, throw your clothes in here, and then click on the start. It'll default to 50 minutes. And yeah, that's all you need to do to use one of these. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing down below. Have a great day.